Hey guys, my name's Sam and today we're going to make some paste wax. Paste wax is made out of, well, my recipe is made out of beeswax and mineral oil or paraffin oil. It's food safe, you can put it on chopping boards. Look, just to prove it. Gross. You can eat it. You can use it to maintain steel tools so they don't rust. You can also use it on chopping boards. You can use it on breadboards. The mineral oil is good to seep into the timber, and then the beeswax gives it a semi-permanent protective coating on the outside. So for a chopping board, it's great. So you get the oil into the chopping board, but then you get a little bit of a food safe, edible, protective finish on the outside. It's good for wood turning because you can get a nice buff too. Anyway, enjoy the video. If you like it, why not subscribe? And if you have a different recipe to the one that I used, why not jot it down in the comments and I'll pin it so other people can see it as well. Anyways, I'll see you at the end of the video. Hold up, just before you leave. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, why not give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.